Hey gorgeous, I'm Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing as well as doing some swatch comparisons to the new Kylie Lip Blush Lip Kits.
Good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I do. XOXO Kylie Jenner.
So we have 4 lip kits here. The packaging is the baby pink with Kylie in reflective silver. And then at the top, we just have some drips of the corresponding lip shade. All right, just black on the inside. And the lip blush packaging looks the same as her individual lip blushes. Still not my favorite, but I do really adore the pink lip liner. The pink casing of the lip liner. Heaven Sent is a muted pink coral. Same signature Kylie scent. Well, I mean, I don't know if this actually smells like Kylie, but it smells like her standard lip formula scent. Like the vanilla-y cupcakes kind of, yeah. It's nice. So here is the side with the lip liner and the side without. You can see that the side with the lip liner definitely does give it more of a color. And the side without, it's just more of like your natural lip color, I guess, but it's just a little something extra. It doesn't necessarily look so much like lipstick. I think with just the lip blush without the lip liner, it looks really natural, even more so, I guess. I actually really am feeling this color. I didn't think I would be. It dries down very nice. If you can see just a tiny bit, it's not entirely kiss-proof, but it is for the most part. Kylie's lip blush formulas are my absolute favorites. They are the best, and I hope she continues making more. They dry down matte, but they're not like sucking the moisture out of your lips. And they're very natural looking. And you guys, you can layer them on top of one another, or you can layer the same color over and over and over again to get more of an opaque look, or if you just kind of wanted to mix them together. So that's pretty cool too. Another cool thing you could do, just like you do with the regular Kylie liquid lipsticks, you can go ahead and switch up the lip liners. Now we're going in with All Natural. All Natural is a warm rose. I'm not broken, I'm still going. The lip liner seems like it's the same formula as her normal lip liner. That's about how much we got in there. 'Cause, you know, physics. Wow, it definitely looks darker than I thought it would on me. I mean, I do like it, but definitely not with this top. I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah. No manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the faking, no, no. I ain't got the energy. Why you be testing me? Ooh, now I'm out of patience. Ooh, coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. Oh my gosh. There's like dust on them. They've been sitting for a little while. That's funny. I don't think you guys can see it. I think it's so funny though. I don't know why. It's just so funny. All right, we're gonna do Nude Attitude. This is the darkest lip blush lip kit she's got. I'm a little bit nervous. Oh, well, I guess it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. Nude Attitude is a mid-tone rosy taupe. This is really not that dark at all. Obviously, does not look like natural on me, but it still is really cute. I'm still Obviously, we do need some darker shades. I thought it was going to be way too dark for me, but it's obviously not. So, we definitely need really dark ones. Okay, now we have Do You Boo. I figured I would use this one because maybe it's not. I thought it was going to be closest to the flowers on my top, but oh well. Do You Boo is a mid-tone warm nude. This color's really cute too. Oh my gosh, so I'm not entirely sure which is my favorite lip kit. These lip blush lip kits retail for $26 each. I ordered them September 4th for the Labor Day sale. Buy one, get one free. So, you know, that's why this video wasn't up and out when they were first released, because I was like, you know what? Let me save some money here, because I knew the sale was coming. Because, you know, Kylie, she texted me and she told me, so. And also, because she has this sale annually, but, you know, her reminder didn't hurt, so, yeah. Anyways, it took only 4 days for my package to actually get here. I ordered it September 4th. It arrived September 8th. That was insane. Like, but in a good way. Let's get to swatch comparisons. Up here we have Do You Boo. Underneath that we have Todd Crane's. Todd Crane's is a little bit more of a pink tone than Do You Boo, and it is also lighter. Here we have Nude Attitude. We have Allergic to BS. And Allergic to BS is definitely more cool toned and lighter than Nude Attitude. Here we have 20, and it's definitely more of a maroon than Do You Boo. And then here we have Malibu, which is definitely more cool toned than Nude Attitude. Those were the closest ones that I've had. Okay, so here we have Heaven Sent, and underneath that we have Apricot. Now, Apricot is definitely more of a lighter color and more of a peachy shade, and Heaven Sent has more of a nude element to it. The last shade we have is Au Naturel. Underneath that we have Stormy. Stormy is definitely more of a pink tone than Au Naturel. Underneath that we have Handbag Ho. Now, Handbag Ho is actually fairly similar to Au Naturel, but it's just a little bit darker. Underneath that we have Low Key, which definitely has more of a pink element. And then we have One Wish, which is definitely more cool toned. If you all enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks to you who already have subscribed and have become a part of this YouTube family. I enjoy having you here. Go ahead and hit that bell so you get notified every time well, sometimes it notifies you when I upload a new video. Sometimes it doesn't, but sometimes it does. It reminds me of, Grandpa, why didn't you tell me the gas gauge didn't work? Because sometimes it does. You guys remember that? Yeah. Yeah, it's from a movie. Anyways. Yeah. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you like the shelf in the background, or do you prefer the green screen? Let me know in the comments below. See you guys in the next video. Later, freaks. Don't forget to watch my other Kylie Cosmetics videos. Wait, can I not do that? I don't know if I can without the green screen. Felix, no, those aren't toys. Stop playing with pens. You guys want to see something? Wait, actually you can't really see it. Never mind. I was gonna show you something. Don't worry about it. But yeah, you can actually see. I was gonna... Yeah, nothing. I was gonna show you guys. I'm embarrassed now. I was gonna show you guys like I was gonna show you guys like my muscle like right around here and like, but in the monitor like there's not really much curvature going on when I look in the monitor, and when I look in the bathroom mirror, it's like, ooh, definition. Like, oh yeah, look at those curves. But now it's like, not. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. These are from the Swatch. It wasn't dried on my arm. Okay. I haven't really actually been making much lately because honestly, I've just been, I'm like, what have I been doing? I've just been focusing on filming and editing and the cuties. It's so weird recording without my green screens, not seeing it in the monitor. I guess I should get a mirror, hang on. Whoa, Felix, ouch, this stool is so uncomfortable. Ow. Ah, okay. If you're done watching the bloopers and you made it this far, leave a fruit emoji. Just leave any fruit emoji, because then people in the comments, if they're not watching it till this part, they're gonna be like, why is everybody leaving a random fruit? I think it's funny. Only probably a couple of, there will be like a couple of fruits there. All sad. Oh well. I'm not broken, I'm still going.